Now, if you had a chance to speak with President Trump, what would you say to him?
I would tell them to really work on the immigration situation. When it comes to black folks and immigration, it really hurts the black community. When illegals come into the community, they go straight to the black neighborhoods. They don't go into Georgetown, Beverly Hills, or places like that. We have to fight for those resources. So I think if we can really get a handle on illegal immigration, it will really help out the black community.
And what are some examples of what you've seen in the black community with illegal immigrants coming in?
Well, the first thing is school. So when you go into some of these schools in the inner cities, it's always maxed out because you have a lot of illegals coming into these schools and it's taking up a lot of resources. So when you have a school classroom size that might have been meant for, say, 12 or 13 kids who live in the neighborhood, now you bring illegal, it pumps it up to 20, 25. And it's hard for a teacher to teach that many people. Also, when it comes to resources, welfare programs, things of that nature, it makes it kind of difficult for black folks. Housing is another thing too as well.